All right, I'm ready. So you're waiting for. Go ahead again. You say
12-month service records, the title, or bill of sale.
okay. 12-month service record, the title and or bill of sale from the one who you have the contract with.
Yeah, from the customer.
Okay, then why didn't you ask for the title and bill of sale before the contract was written up?
This, we don't get it. Car show get that, so we ask for it as we need it.
So okay, so if he get okay, you want 12-month service records. You want this from the owner of the vehicle.
Correct.
Okay, so all right, I know. Okay, all right, thank you.
And no problem.
All right, bye.